What's up, guys? You see, I've been saying this, that stop blaming President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Stop blaming President Bola Ahmed Tinubu all the time. But some people think say maybe because I'm Yoruba tribe, that's the reason why I'm supporting President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I'm not supporting him. Maybe say I'm supporting him because of my tribe, but that's the fact. Okay, for example, watch this video, because if na me talk am, if na me tell you guys, you are going to think say I dey lie. Na KDC, the one of the best football analysts in Nigeria. So listen to him. The FIFA gave all Africa country $1.2 million to build stadium. See what Kenya built. See what Nigeria built. $1.2 million equivalent to 1.7 billion. If it's not over. I mean, if I'm not mistaken, 1.7 billion. So why are you abusing Tinubu? Not only Tinubu, calm down. You're going to watch the video. You must watch the video. Now, but where the mumu reach is that they don't know say FIFA will give you that kind of amount of money. Not be only you, not be only Nigeria, not be only NFF is going to give. It's going to give another African nation. So they give Kenya. See what Kenya built. They will give Nigeria. See what Nigeria built. This one a toilet or be a stadium. This one not be stadium. This is not a toilet. See what Kenya built. Normal stadium, standard stadium. See what Nigeria built. You see, Nigerians not be only Tinubu be our problem. Some of our minister, our governor, they give them money, but they chop am. They spend this life. They spend it on their own. They don't do the right thing. They give some of our engineers. They don't give them money. They chop all your road. That is not good. Ask your governors. Ask your minister. Federal government, they give them money. They pay them. Even the amount of money they received before, in this new era, they don't triple am, double am. Ask them. All your government, they are responsible for this, for all your this bad road. Then there's no lights. That is why I'm laughing at Kelemes, because this man is the minister for power, and imagine some of city in Oyo State is not have lights, stable lights. Even in Ibadan, they don't have stable lights, and you want contest for governor. It's not done like that. It's not done like that. Me, who go vote for you? Me, and I cannot vote for you. I never know you before. Nobody say you offend me. You don't offend me. But truth must be told. You are minister of power, and we are suffering for light. So you still can't go for governorship. Wetin you show us na small. If you can't reach governor, you go come show us big. No be me. If everybody like, they can vote you, but I cannot vote you. I personally. So stop blaming federal government. Stop blaming Tinubu. Stop blaming Tinubu. Ask your governors. All the money we say they pay them. Where did they spend money to? All your bad road, your governor, your minister, your rep, they are responsible for it. Ask them. No, stop blaming, stop causing, stop abusing President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. See them. This is the evidence. FIFA give them $1.2 million. That's equivalent to 1.7 billion naira.
Kenya was giving $1.2 million, the same amount Nigeria was giving. See what Kenya was giving $1.2 million, the same amount Nigeria was giving. See what Kenya has been building. See what Nigeria has been building in Benin. You see this exact thing. This is the reason why I keep on saying that I have stopped blaming Tinubu for what is happening in Nigeria. I have stopped blaming Tinubu for what is happening in Nigeria, because I realize something, that actually our governors, our local government chairman, our ministers, they are giving allocation. None of them, they come and they cry, say, hey, president no give me money. Hey, president, money no reach us. Allocation no reach us. All of them, allocation they reach them. State allocation they reach them. The ones for transportation, if they reach, The one, you know, it's small o, but or compared to other countries, e no big, but e dey reach them. All of them, transportation, allocation, everything dey reach them. And yet these guys, miraculously, these guys mysteriously find a way not to give us the best, or they give us mediocre. For roads, they will give us road that will not last. For infrastructure, they will give us something that will spoil quickly. And this is not just what is happening in our state. Look at the one FIFA is giving them money. You see stadium, this particular stadium, pata 500 million naira, you go build better stadium. You go build better stadium. Who gonna need to look 500 million naira like small money? 500 million naira is not small money in any country. We are not telling you to build a super standard mega stadium, but at least it's going to, for FIFA to give them $1.2 million. They know what that amount can build in other countries. And the funniest part is that Nigeria didn't have sense that not be only you dem go give this money, they go also give other African countries. So what people will do is that they will check and balance. They will check and do counterbalance to see. But we carry our money, so even the field where Patoranking build, Patoranking where FIFA don't give money, build, e dey better than the one where FIFA give 1.2 million to build. Even the field where Patoranking build is better than this rubbish that they built. And tomorrow I'll be shouting tinubu. You go leave government, you go leave everybody, leave. Oh, Jesus Christ is Lord. $1.2 million. This man go dey thief the money, they siphon am. There is nothing that is working in this country, no aspect, nothing. He give them money, all of them go chop am. Nobody wants to do anything, and because there is no repercussion. The only reason why this thing keeps going on is because nobody is being punished. As you thief money, they hang you. They no go thief again. Check China, check other countries. Once their politician steals money, death by hanging. They don't steal, because if they catch you, you don't go. But there's no repercussion, there's nothing. Waste, thieves, robbers with biro. Disgrace, national disgrace. FIFA really put our stadium in their cover photo just to show the world, say, see what thing they do with $1.2 million. You people are a disgrace. And this is, it's not just here, everywhere. Then they give, all your governors are receiving money. Your state is supposed to be better. All your governors, all your local government chairman, all of them, they collect money. They need to do anything with the money. Stop blaming Tinubu. The only thing wey Tinubu do wey dey affect you na fuel subsidy and this coming tax and all those normal policies. But say na good road, they don give them money. They give them money, then they chop am. Hold, check, ask questions. Your governor dey come and dey complain say they no give am money. Now look at this one wey dey give money. FIFA give them money, outside I give them money, they chop am. How many times say World Health Organization don't give Nigeria money, they chop am. World Health Organization, they give us money, they tell us we are the poorest in the world. They come and they defend them. You know they poor, they collect money from WHO. They don't even get sense.